You ever wonder why some guys seem to crush their goals while others fall off after a week or two? Here's the truth: it's not motivation, it's not luck, it's consistency. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. But here's the kicker: consistency is about the boring, everyday stuff. You don't need to rely on motivation, you don't need to rely on this hustle culture 24/7. You need systems, habits, and most importantly, something that nobody is talking about. The way you think about your goals is what either makes you fall off or makes you unstoppable. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll learn the hacks that transform my own results as well as hundreds of my other clients, from being all over the place to consistent, rock solid progress. Let's go over why you're not staying consistent and how to fix it in 3 steps. Ever feel like you start off strong but burn out after a week? You're not alone. The truth is, consistency isn't about having superhuman motivation. It's about building habits that stick no matter what. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stay consistent even when you don't feel like it. The biggest mistake: thinking that staying consistent is about forcing yourself to grind every day. Here's the reality check: willpower is not enough. The real game changer, it's your mindset. You don't do fitness, you become the kind of person who stays fit. It's an identity shift. Think about it. If your goal is to lose weight or get stronger, that's a one off. But if you say, I'm the kind of guy who never skips a workout, now that's part of your identity. And when it's who you are, consistency follows naturally. Start by focusing on small actions that align with who you want to become. Wake up early, eat something nutritious, stretch. These small wins reinforce the identity that you're building. So now you got the mindset, right? Now let's talk about building the habits that are unbreakable. Here's the trick: keep it simple and automatic. Too many people overcomplicate their routines, thinking they need to spend 2 hours at the gym just to make progress. But real consistency is built with small, repeatable actions. Let's break it down. Start by setting tiny, achievable goals. Maybe it's 10 push ups every morning or a 10-minute stretch. The idea is to make it so easy that you can't fail. You want to start small and then build big. Once that becomes a habit, you can start stacking. Add another 5 minutes. The beauty of small habits is that they compound. Over time, these small wins turn into unstoppable momentum. If you know about the law of compounding, you totally understand this. You won't even need to think about it. And that's how you stay consistent even when you're not motivated. Now, this is where most guys drop the ball: accountability. It's like trying to stay consistent all by yourself. That's kind of like trying to lift a car with one hand. You're gonna want some backup. Accountability can be a game changer. Whether it's a friend, a fitness coach, or even an online group, having someone to check in with makes a huge difference. Why? Because it's not just about letting yourself down anymore, especially when you have someone else rooting for you. Find a workout buddy, join an online group. Hell, if you're serious about results, get a coach, someone who will push you and hold you accountable. Here's the thing: consistency is not about perfection, it's about the long game. Everyone has off days. The trick is bouncing back quickly and staying on track more often than not. Again, you don't have to be perfect. You just need to show up more times than you miss. That's what will keep you growing. So the next time you feel like skipping a workout or not eating according to your goals, remember this: progress is not made in giant leaps. It's built brick by brick where every small, consistent action adds up. Remember, I just want to make sure we hit it home. Staying consistent is not about motivation, it's about mindset, habits, and accountability. Start small, make it a habit, and never go at it alone. And if you're ready to take your fitness to the next level, I am here to help. Drop a comment down below with your goals, and let's keep each other accountable. Till next time, let's raise the bar.